Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to add IKEA Family card to Apple Wallet. So if you're interested, let's start tutorial. So when you make a purchase, such as buying a ticket, you often get a choice to save it to your Apple Wallet. Now to do this, you just need to simply open up the relevant app, email, or message or notification containing your pass. Now usually you'll get a IKEA Family card email in your account, so make sure to check your email for any relevant emails. In this case, go ahead and select the option that says added to Apple Wallet. Now if you can't find the add to Apple Wallet button, reach out to the merchant or issuer to confirm their support for wallet passes. Now you just need to follow the prompts on the on-screen and or tap the add at the top right corner. Now you can also add support passes by selecting add to Apple Wallet from Safari or any web browser, or sharing via AirDrop, or receiving a wallet notification after using Apple Pay at a compatible merchant, scanning a QR code or barcode using your iPhone's camera app. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.